AI is coming for your job. What's your backup plan? By 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be automated. The question is, are you ready? Welcome back to Mentor's Mindset. This isn't some far-off sci-fi warning. Right now, automation is rewriting the job market. Self-checkouts are replacing cashiers. AI is generating code, creating marketing plans, and even writing this sentence. It sounds promising, right? But here's the catch. Many of those new jobs require completely different skills, and that's where most of us get left behind. I run this channel, but even I started to wonder, am I safe? Is creativity enough? What happens when AI starts doing what I do better and faster? So I did what any uncertain creator would do. I turned this fear into a 30-day experiment to see if we can actually outskill the algorithm. 30 days, one new skill, no shortcuts, you'll see it all. But this isn't just about what's happening in Silicon Valley or tech podcasts. I've spoken to teachers, tradespeople, content creators, even NHS staff. And one thing is clear, people are worried, quietly, constantly, wondering if AI will come for their job or their kids' jobs. Whether you're running a small business or raising a family, this video isn't about fear, it's about preparation. Some jobs at risk today: data entry clerks, customer service agents, retail assistants, bookkeepers, basic coders, and jobs secure for now: UX, UI designers, electricians and plumbers, therapists and coaches, creative strategists, community managers. If your job is repetitive, rule-based, or predictable, AI already knows how to do it. On the flip side, roles that require empathy, creativity, or abstract thinking are harder to replace. Even developers are seeing AI tools like GitHub Copilot write functional code, and AI design generators are reshaping creative workflows. AI will not just eliminate jobs, it will reshape them completely. You can either adapt or risk being left behind. Let's look at this in real time. Take Sarah, a virtual assistant. She used to manage client emails, calendars, and social media scheduling. But with AI tools like Motion and Zapier automating her workflow, she lost 70% of her retainer clients in 6 months. Or James, a graphic designer. He saw clients switch to Canva Pro or Midjourney for quick, cheap branding. It wasn't that his work wasn't good. It was that AI could deliver good enough faster. This isn't theoretical. These are real people watching their skill sets erode in value, and it can happen silently until it's too late. Some ways to future-proof your skills. Step 1. Audit yourself. What are you already good at that AI can't easily replicate? Maybe it's your emotional intelligence, problem-solving ability, or how you lead others. Step 2. Find a growth industry. Focus on fields growing because of AI. Think digital wellness, design thinking, behavioral psychology, or roles that require deeply human qualities. Step 3. Learn smarter. Use AI to help you learn. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Perplexity can summarize content, generate study plans, and answer questions faster than any search engine. Microcourses are cheap or free. Learning in public speeds things up, and feedback, especially the harsh kind, accelerates your growth. Let's be clear. AI isn't killing all jobs, it's shifting which ones matter. The future belongs to those who can collaborate with machines while understanding people. I chose UX design. Why? Well, it's creative, it involves real humans, and it really forces you to think. Plus, it's still human-led for now. By day 2, I stared at a blank Figma canvas for over an hour. No clue what to design. I questioned if I made the wrong choice. Day 4, I finally created a wireframe I didn't hate. It was rough, but it looked like something a beginner might make in a boot camp. Day 8, I almost quit. Imposter syndrome hit hard when I saw other beginners posting mind-blowing work online, but instead of quitting, I asked for feedback. Skill progression metrics. Day 1, completed intro to UX design. Day 5, designed 3 mobile wireframes. Day 10, learned responsive layout principles. Day 15, rebuilt my first design after critique. Day 20, submitted to Mentor for evaluation. Day 30, created a clickable prototype and tested with 3 users. Tracking my growth helped me stay grounded. I didn't feel like I was improving until I looked back at day 1. Real-time mentor feedback. Your layout's improving, but your navigation hierarchy needs clarity. Focus on function before aesthetic. That comment from my mentor stung a little, but it made me rethink how I was prioritizing design choices. Function over fancy, UX work showcase, screen recordings of your Figma dashboard, before and after redesigns, user interaction tests, and sticky note sketches. This was my final project. A mental health journaling app for teenagers, simple, clean, accessible. I took what I learned and tried to make something real. Day 17 broke me a little. I submitted a design to my mentor and got silence. 2 days later, I found out it didn't meet even basic usability standards. In the past, I would have taken that as a personal failure, but I've learned that feedback is not rejection, it's redirection. The impact isn't just economic, it's deeply human. What happens to identity when people feel replaceable? Some people don't have the time, resources, or support systems to reskill. It's not just a personal responsibility, it's a collective one. Technology should empower humans, not erase them. Think about this. If AI replaces 30% of retail jobs in the next 10 years, what happens to small towns? What happens to people who don't have fast Wi-Fi or a quiet room to retrain? The divide won't just be rich versus poor, it'll be augmented versus abandoned. This challenge isn't just about my job, it's about what kind of future we're building together. I won't lie, this whole experiment started because I was scared. Scared that even this channel, something I poured my soul into, might be next. There were nights I sat there asking, what happens when ChatGPT can script better than I can, edit faster, and research better than I ever could? This challenge didn't just test my skill, it tested my identity. Who am I if the thing I built becomes obsolete? But through the struggle, I rediscovered something. It's not about beating AI. It's about choosing to grow even when growth is hard. Let me show you what's inside the free toolkit. It starts with a self-audit. What are you good at? What drains you? What could AI automate in your day-to-day? Then we guide you through choosing a skill that's still human-proof. It could be public speaking, trauma-informed coaching, creative strategy, or emotional intelligence training. You decide. Print it, write in it. Don't just think your way through, map your growth. You don't need to learn everything, just start with something. Consistency beats intensity. 15 minutes a day is how transformation begins. Take a free online skill audit. Download link in description. Pick one skill and commit to 15 minutes a day. Use AI tools to speed up, not skip the process. Share your journey online for feedback. Comment below. What's your biggest fear about AI and jobs? Join the Skill Audit Challenge. Tag us at mentors. _mindset when you post your first step. If you're unsure where to start, download the free career assessment pack below. It'll guide you through your current strengths, gaps, and options. Drop a comment with the skill you're working on. We're building this together. A few weeks ago, someone DM'd me and said, I'm 42, laid off and terrified. I'm not techie, what can I even do? And that broke me because I didn't have a magic answer. But I offered them this challenge. Just pick one thing to learn, one step, one commitment, because the opposite of being replaced isn't being perfect, it's being relevant. You don't need to beat the algorithm. You need to outgrow the version of you from last month. AI is not the villain, it's the mirror. It reflects who we are and what we value. We can freeze or we can evolve, but we can't ignore what's coming. I'm not just trying to outpace AI, I'm trying to become more human in the process. Curious, creative, connected. So what's your plan? Will you wait to be replaced or rise to the challenge? Subscribe to join the 30-day AI-proof skill challenge. Download your free skill audit toolkit. Comment below with your AI worries or your first step. And if this helped you rethink your future, hit subscribe, like, share, and comment, because this is just the beginning.